Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree. And look at these baskets that I see for Easter. Oh, how adorable. So we have this one, the star one. I'm not sure who he is. Here's a shark one. Then they have these kind. Okay, here's some plushies. And then here are these Easter baskets are new. Okay, I don't want that to fall. So they only have these two, but look how cute. They have like a bow. That's just so pretty. Some more of these. Okay, these boxes are absolutely beautiful. And they even come with a little handle. So this one is like a purse. Then you have these and those. Then you have these round ones. I'm absolutely loving this color. I love that color. Here's the butterfly box. And here's some more. Then you have these. And then they have a display of these red candles. So I'm not really sure. So we have the stickers. I need some more stickers. Okay, so we have the Starburst gems right here. These are the rub-on stickers. Let's see if they have new ones. Okay, then they have this one. It says, "Who cares? Go after your dreams." These are new. Okay, then they have these. Those are really pretty. So then you have these. I don't want to touch too many of these because they fall down so easily, but these are rub-ons. These are regular stickers, and these are rub-ons. These are so nice. Here's some planner stickers. These are rub-ons, so they're all kind of mixed in. Some stencils. Okay, look how nice this looks. Here's the travel. Okay, so then here you have the pearl stickers. So you have them in colors. Very nice. And then here are the gem stickers. And look at that. That gold is so beautiful. Let me see. There's that green. I really like that green. And there's the pink. So these are really pretty too. Look at that one. Travel. Okay, and I'm really liking these. I'm seeing these a lot. Awesome. Hello, enjoy, okay, rock. Look at that one. I like that one too. Those are nice. And look at these. How sweet. Here's the elephants. Oh, look at the balloon animals. Those are so hard to come by. I'm going to grab one. There's the elephants. The giraffes. Okay, here's some butterflies, and then you have some more here. Look at the owls. How cute. Okay, so if we come down here, more succulents, guys. I just been running into them like all winter long. So these are the picks. They're looking much better than they ever used to. These are the picks, and then these are the clips. So that's really nice. Then these are the ones that are in the pots. Like, look at the size of those clips, guys. Look at this. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I'm starting to take a liking to them. Okay, so here we have some wall mirror decals. Okay, and then here we have the bling wrap. Now, I think this belongs in the gift wrapping area. So you have the silver and the gold. Here you have the birthday ribbon, one burlap. Okay, here's the burlap. And now these are the gemstone ribbons. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So you have this color, this one, and this green. Isn't that beautiful? Those are hard to come by also. Yeah, and I do believe if you peel that paper back, there's an adhesive. I really like that. Here's the grow grain. And here's the sheer ribbon. And here's the regular satin ribbon. Here are some garlands. See? So you have the garlands. There's the fans. Here is the floral moss. This is the diamond wrap. The pink, the blue, and the gold. And then these are the 3D forms. We have some boxes here. Oh, look. I'm just spotting the cinnamon broomsticks. Those smell so good. You can smell them right out of the package. And look at these. These are so cute, okay? Then you have some of those boxes right there. So here's some floral tape and some wood stakes. There's some pearls. And then I don't know if you could see the difference. I know I can see it like so clearly. These are the new ones. They're more like brilliant. They have such a brilliant color to them. And then these, you could see are darker and more deep. So I'm loving the way these are coming back. They're coming back more brilliant in color. These are some planner stickers. Here's some mailing folders, some foam, floral foam, and the foam rings, and here's some vases. So I'm really liking the shape of this vase. I don't think I've seen this at other Dollar Trees, so for me that's new. Let me just scan those. So you have the small cylinder vases and the taller ones. Then you have the plastic vases right there, and then these are your stones. Okay, there's your pebble stones, your seashells, your black stones. Here's some more seashells. And then we have some crushed glass, some marbles. What are these? Card holders. Oh, how cute. I think these are new. This is a dog. This is a sloth. That's a unicorn. Let's see. That's a unicorn. There's another dog. These guys are new. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Okay, some more seashells down here. Some more marbles. And I've never seen these stones before. Look at them, guys. Can you see that? I've never seen these stones before. They're absolutely gorgeous. Wow, those are new. So here we have some organizational containers, and I'm absolutely loving this gray color. Is that gray? Yeah, that's white. I don't know. It's very light, very light. Could be a gray. No, I think these are the white. Those are hard to find. Those are the first ones to go. So that's peach, orange. Here's that coral color. And some more of those. These are the hangers. And then they have the double containers right here to match. And those are the water jugs. So we have some more containers here along the top and some more toys. This is all at the front of the store, so they must be basket stuffers. Isn't this adorable? Look at this. So you have that doll, this one, and this one. Isn't that cute? And you have these fuzzy friends and some squishies, some dinosaurs. Oh, and look at these. Some poodoo. Okay. All right, guys, so she is stocking the candy, the Easter candy. Let me just scan those for you. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out what's new for Easter and more. I'll see you in the next video.